Please look at the page 17 and you can see the 9 words, and actually each letter has meaning. So let's check and please read one by one. First one. 약. 약. 약 means medicine. 약. Second one. 손. 손. 오, so 손. 손 is hand. 손. Third one. 맛. 맛. That's taste. 맛. Taste is good. It's 맛이 좋아요. 맛. Next one. 낮. 낮. 낮 means daytime. 낮. The next one. 꽃. 꽃. 꽃 means flower. And this one. 발. 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 발 means foot. Next one. 우소. 춤. 춤. 춤 is like dance. 춤. This is a bit difficult. 우. So 수 and the 푸사. 숲. 숲. And the last one. 형. 형. That's older brother. For guy, 형. For me, it's 오빠. Yes. Good job. And I will read and please repeat after me. 약. 손. 맛. 낮. 꽃. 발. 춤. 숲. 형. Yes. Good job.